Imagine a world where you can send money to anyone, anywhere, in minutes, without a bank, without paperwork, and without asking anyone for permission. That world already exists, and it's powered by Bitcoin. But what exactly is Bitcoin? And why are millions of people calling it the future of money? In this video, we'll explain everything in simple terms. Bitcoin is a digital currency created in 2009 by an anonymous person, or group, known as Satoshi Nakamoto. Unlike traditional money, Bitcoin isn't controlled by any government or bank. Instead, it runs on a decentralized network of computers around the world.
Think of Bitcoin as digital cash. Instead of carrying paper money in your wallet, you own digital coins stored securely in a crypto wallet. Every transaction is recorded on a public ledger called the blockchain. Blockchain is the technology behind Bitcoin. Imagine a giant digital notebook shared across thousands of computers worldwide. Every Bitcoin transaction is permanently recorded, making the system transparent and extremely difficult to tamper with. One of Bitcoin's biggest advantages is its limited supply. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins. This scarcity is one reason many people compare Bitcoin to digital gold. People use Bitcoin in different ways. Some buy it as a long-term investment, some use it for international payments, while others simply hold it as a store of value. However, Bitcoin prices can rise or fall quickly, so it's important to understand the risks before investing.
I'll update the risk model now.
To own Bitcoin, you'll need a trusted cryptocurrency exchange and a secure wallet. Always protect your account with strong passwords and two-factor authentication, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Bitcoin has changed how millions of people think about money, ownership, and financial freedom. Whether it becomes the future of finance or not, understanding Bitcoin is an important step in today's digital world. If you enjoyed this beginner's guide, don't forget to subscribe for more simple crypto explanations.